Welcome back to my channel. I'm Linda from Living Linda. Christmas is just about 1 month away, so today for Travel Tip Thursday, we're talking about the top Christmas travel tips. Christmas is one of the busiest travel seasons in the world, and whether you're flying home to see family, taking a festive getaway, or escaping somewhere sunny, holiday travel can feel like a whirlwind. Today, I'm sharing my top Christmas travel tips to keep your journey merry, bright, and stress-free. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, book smart and early. Christmas flights and hotels fill up fast, and prices jump the closer we get to the holidays. If you haven't booked yet, do it today. Be flexible if you can. Mid-week flights and very early mornings often cost less and have fewer delays. It's not glamorous, but that sunrise out the airplane window, magical. Tip number 2, give yourself the gift of time. Christmas airports are busy, lines are longer, check-in takes longer, boarding takes longer. Arrive at least 2 to 3 hours before your flight, more if you're checking bags or traveling internationally. Think of it as giving yourself time to breathe instead of rush. Tip number 3, pack like a pro. Carry-on only is my favorite strategy. Less risk, less waiting, more control. Pack light and smart. Roll your clothes to save space. Traveling with gifts? Ship bulky gifts ahead or order online to your destination. Don't wrap presents before flying. Security may need to open them. Tip number 4, prep for security like Santa preps his list. Security moves slower during the holidays, so make it easy on yourself. Keep liquids in a clear bag, laptop accessible, shoes easy to slip off. Bonus tip, an empty water bottle you can fill after security saves money and keeps you hydrated during winter travel. Tip number 5, protect your travel plans. Winter weather, full flights, technical issues, delays happen. Download your airline's app for real-time updates and consider travel insurance, especially if you're checking bags or traveling internationally during winter. Peace of mind is priceless. Tip number 6, make connections comfortable. If you have a connecting flight, add a buffer, 2 hours minimum, no matter what the airline says. Or even better, treat yourself to a lounge pass. Hot coffee, cozy seating, snacks. Suddenly that wait feels like part of the adventure. Tip number 7, dress with purpose. Holiday travel isn't the time to dress complicated. Wear layers, comfortable shoes, and keep a cozy sweater handy. Temperature swings happen from chilly airports to warm temperatures in the cabin. Tip number 8, stay fueled and festive. Snacks are your holiday travel superpower. Pack nuts, fruit, protein bars, because nothing derails Christmas cheer like being hangry while traveling. Also keep something comforting, peppermint tea, ginger candies, whatever you love. Travel should still feel festive. Tip number 9, spread holiday kindness. Remember, everyone is trying to get somewhere special this time of year. A smile, a kind word, patience with staff, it goes a long way. Let's travel with the holiday spirit, even when things don't go perfectly. Tip number 10, have a backup plan. Have backups ready, printed confirmations, screenshots of boarding passes and directions, and a portable phone charger for when your phone battery is running low and you need to access it. So there you have it, your stress-free guide to traveling during the holidays. Plan early, pack smart, stay flexible, and most importantly, keep joy at the center of your journey. Where are you traveling this Christmas? Share in the comments, I'd love to hear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a Travel Tip Thursday. Safe travels, happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video.